Alright guys, Cadillac 3.6. This is what it sounds like before. Let you guys hear this beast. Again. XTS 5, sorry, V. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. It is very quiet. Again. My voice is louder than it. That's crazy. 81 sound decibels. So we're gonna put these tips on it, and we're gonna put Paradox Performance Muffler. If you guys ever wonder what they look like, the inlet is on this side. So it's basically half glass pack right there. But what's different, it is got two pieces of pipe on the other side. Look at that. It's just a completely different design. It's made by Paradox. And the part number on it, right here. PXA 225. Paradox mufflers. So we'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description. You can find them at paradoxmuffler.com. All right, guys, this is a first on the channel. 2014 Cadillac XTS V Edition. So it's got a total of 3 converters, one on the manifold there, one on the manifold there. It wires into a single, basically. Flex pipe, third converter there. Then there's usually a resonator that goes right there. We took it out and installed Paradox Performance Muffler. Made in the good old USA, overbuilt in the USA. Goes right there in the center. Then 3-inch pipe continues, goes out to 2 1/4 on each side, there and there. We did a rear muffler delete on it on each side. I'm gonna show you guys that in a second. Into a set of blue flame tips to complete the look. Let's give it that clean look. I like it. Staggered out the sides. Look. Came out really nice, really clean. Compared to what it had on it, there's the 2 mufflers that were on it. There and there, they're huge. And there's the resonator that's on it also. So if you guys heard that before, it was like 70 decibels, really quiet. My voice was louder than it. So we took all that off and replaced it, made it look, cleaned it up for him, gave him a nice, sexy look on this beautiful Cadillac. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, if you don't know, you know now that we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Please click like and subscribe. With a Paradox muffler, rear delete. Not bad. Yeah, it's clean. I would have thought it would have been louder. Yeah, it's soft tone. It was like 74 before on the sound decibels, so it's got a lot louder. Again, so it's right at 96. Not bad. So it's getting 20 decibels almost.
Put that on your YouTube?
Yeah. It looks really good, man.
Like that mic. Y'all, sound good?
You guys like it? Approve? Yes. Got the Napa boys in here today.
I like the way that
Clean. But yeah, you see what I mean about it sticking out? If you would have had it stuck, it would have looked funny. That's clean, you know? It's so deep. Paradox muffler rear delete. Another satisfied customer. That's all our customers. If they do. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. Cadillac XTS, Paradox mid, rear delete, quads out the back. Oh yeah, that's perfect. I love it. That's sexy, dude. It sounds real good.